Hello, Carol Rive here. Welcome to this training. I'm going to show you how I send a broadcast out using LeadsLeap. And why is LeadsLeap important? Well, I've built a whole funnel, my 6-figure funnel from using LeadsLeap. So LeadsLeap is an incredible program. Uh, I encourage you to upgrade to the pro level for only $27 a month. Not only do you get the whole funnel system, but you also get advertising, hands-free advertising with LeadsLeap. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I set up a video already um, about the best kept secret in advertising for less than $20. You know, it's really good traffic, a one-time less than $20. And so I'm going to ask ChatGPT, and I hardly write anything without ChatGPT. So, let's see, I just had done a video and I had told it, you just talk to it like it's literally, like it's a secretary for you. I just said, I did a video about my best traffic resource. It's a one-time cost that's less than $20. Can you write a YouTube title and description? And you can see it doesn't even ding ya for wrong spelling. So now I'm going to say, you write, and of course it can, email to my personal list, and I tell it it's my personal list so it knows that people are already familiar with me or with you when you send to your personal list. They're going to already be aware of you. They're going to possibly already know you really well. About my affordable advertising that is only a one-time less than $20. Now, a lot of times I wouldn't even bother to type this out. I would just say, can you, just the YouTube description that it sent me, I would say, can you write that to my email list, write that to my personal email list. And then depending what it writes, it gives you options on, because it knows that I like to have to pick what I would feel the best. The best $25 I ever spent on advertising. Stop overpaying for traffic. Try this instead. I mean, these are all golden, and then it gives you the body. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's see, which one am I going to pick? I'm going to pick this one, the best $20 I ever spent on advertising. Yeah, because I just sent it out, and you can see the people are already opting in. So let's go to LeadsLeap. This is my LeadsLeap right here. And right here is your back office. Now don't let this, scare you. Okay. Right here is a broadcast. What I love about this is it makes this so easy. You just click broadcast. And you add a new broadcast. Now, some of the capture pages that I use have the name in it. Some of them just have the email. The best capture pages are the ones that only ask for the email. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this part. I just wanted to quickly share something. Just read it over real quick. Might help you. one-time traffic resource. Yep, under 20. Yep, puts my name there. All I have to do is put in, and I have this set up. I'll show you how to do a global signature. You just need the right people to see it. And I'll do my video, which is right here. Copy that. And I'll place that into it. And then for those that just want to take a quick look at it, and they don't want to I'm going to put the link to it in right there. And I use LeadsLeap tracking. LeadsLeap tracking is wonderful. And I have global signature on there. And I'm going to put it right there. Oops. And then you just go over the highlight, click this little link, and make sure this is how you highlight something, and then you, okay, it's not working for me. Let's just highlight this. Okay, I got a space in there. It's not gonna. You don't want your spaces in your link. There. And you copy that. And you put right here the URL. And sometimes there'll be like text down there. And I always put a new window because you don't want them to lose your where they're reading right now. Okay. So that's it. And I will select this and select active subscribers. And these are just my lists. You may only have one list. And this is Monday. And I will set it for, it's 20 to 9 now, so I'll set it for 2, 3. Let's do 3 o'clock. Now you can send to inactive subscribers. I just try not to send to them too much because I want them to actually open my emails. So here's save changes and click. And it shows you your email. And then you can click the link just to make sure that it works. And that's how you send a broadcast out using LeadsLeap. Okay? If this training helped, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. And if there's a specific training you would like done, please post it down in the comments and I'd be happy to do one. Okay? God bless and take care.